Okay, this is Antwerp, where I live in the garden, and I put the Orion Dobson telescope on its place, and this is what it looks like. It's 30 centimeters wide, the diameter. And when you look through the tube, this is what you find. And also I set the eyepiece in such a way that you could look right through it. So it's as good as it ever was. The only problem is, well, in order to be able to carry it in the car, it's a Opel Astra, you have to dismantle it and in 3 different pieces. You have the basement right here, which is about 60 centimeters high, which means that the trunk has to be left not open, but the basement becomes visible for anybody looking at the car. And then you have the primary mirror right here, the secondary mirror right there, and those tubes that fix both sides, but I cannot carry the whole tube at once to the garage. It's really very heavy. This is a protection against dampness and so on. And this is the visor. Now, last night I've been able to see Mars like never before from this garden, and especially Saturn. I could see 3 or 4 different moons around Saturn. That had never been the case before from the garden. I don't even remember looking at so many moons for such a long time from a telescope belonging to a friend. And this little adapter helps me adjust the collimation. Now I have a laser collimator, which is right this. At night I can look through the tube and see if it's right in the middle. I hope actually that is the way to do, because I don't want to have a laser right into the eye. And this is the PST looking at the sun, well, meant for the sun. For the moment there's nothing special to see, but yesterday I could see a protuberance on the left side up. So that was the first time I saw a protuberance around the sun in years, actually. And it means that the PST is in good shape. But this is perhaps extraordinary for public observations, to show the heavens, the deep sky heavens, to the public. However, children will have to be kind of tall to be able to look through the eyepiece, or else I'll have to put some kind of seat so that they can stand up on it, because there is no way I can do it. I mean, it's kind of high above the horizon, above the ground. So So this is the SkyQuest Orion Dobson, 12 inches, 30 centimeters diameter, kind of heavy, and I need to get used to it. Unfortunately, we don't have that many clear skies, and we haven't had for the past months. We've had very cold weather, or snow, or rain. Last night and the night before it was okay, but to move the whole thing about 90 kilometers south is going to be kind of challenging. I don't know exactly if I'm going to keep that telescope actually. There we are. Yeah.